Hello everyone, my name is Renuka Abasar Hadole. Today's topic on history of Java. Let's see what is history of Java. So the history of Java is very interesting. Uh, we know that Java language. Java was originally designed for interactive television, but it was too advanced technology for the digit cables, digital cable television industry at the time. Uh, Java is a widely used and popular language, and Java is a high level object oriented programming language. Um, the history of Java, we know I start with the green team, uh, and he principles for creating Java uh, programming, uh, where some features Java, for example, simple, then robust, then portable, and platform independence, and secures, high performance, and Java language is a multi-threaded architectural neural, and Java is a object-oriented, interrupted, and uh, and dynamic. Java was developed by James Gosling. James Gosling, who is known as the father of Java. Uh, in 1995, currently Java is used in internet. Uh, Java is used to internet programming. For example, mobile devices, games, e-businesses, solutions, etc. Some points that describe the history of Java. So, James Gosling and his teams uh, initialize the Java, then Java language, and a project in start June 1991, and the small team of Sun engineers called as a green team. And firstly it was called Java's firstly called Green Tech by James Gosling, and after that it was called as Oak, and was developed as a part of the Green project. And why so uh, let's see why Java programming name Java, and then Java is initially Gosling named the language Oak. Then after then oak trees outside his office, and whenever due to uh, trademark issues, and the team letters rename it Java, and inspired by their love for coffees. Um, the first public implementation of Java, and Java's first version is 1.0 was released in 1995. Java then introduced the concept of this write once and run anywhere. This means Java is a platform independent language. Java code is compiled into standard format, and known as Java is standard format known as a byte code, which can be run on any device that has a Java virtual machine. So This all about history of Java.